Hello dear awesome people out there, I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Chris and I make book related videos in this channel. It's been so long since I have uploaded any video. Thank you everyone for missing me out there. Actually, I had to take a small break from making videos. However, I'm back now and I promise you all that I'll be consistent from now. Today in this video, I'm going to take up a challenge named BookTube Newbie Tag. What's that? It's a challenge kind of thing for BookTube beginners like me. There'll be 10 questions to which I must answer. The other day I was watching Ashi Jain taking up this challenge on her channel. Till that time I had no idea this sort of thing exists. So all the credit goes to her. I have noted all the 10 questions here which I'm going to answer. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first question is, why did I start this channel? Basically, being a book lover, I always wanted to talk about the books which I used to read. Also, I used to watch videos of my favorite booktubers talking about the books they've read, and I got inspired by them. At some point, I felt, why don't I do it too? My friends used to say, if you're feeling creative today, you must start your channel today itself. So yeah, another reason to start my channel is I'll get a responsibility of uploading videos time to time, which pushes me to read books thoroughly without any distraction. So the second question is, what are some fun and unique things you can bring to BookTube? So to make BookTube videos, I have to read books. Reading books is exploring new things, discovering new things, meeting new character, meeting new person, and getting into a whole new world. So by booktubing, I can share the whole new world which I get into. So in this way, booktubing itself is a fun and unique thing. So nothing much more special to bring and add to it. So that's why I'm here. So the third question is, what are you most excited for about this new channel? I'm most excited about reaching more people, building my community and widening my circle. So far I made few friends through booktubing. It really feels so supportive to be in a circle of creators and sharing experiences, skills and discussing about the work we do. It really boosts us up, and moreover, growing together, it really gives a supporting vibe. Every day I check my views, I check number of subscribers. Day to day it increases. So the increasing number of subscribers excites me most. Moreover that, I am so excited about developing my skills. I always strive to give my people the better in me, the better content I want to give you all. It whether be the video quality or the editing, anything. I always want to bring best in me. This is just beginning and I feel and still long way to go, and I need all your support for that. I always need you people by my side. So the fourth question is, why do you love reading books? Why do I love reading books? Books happened so randomly to me. I don't know how I attracted to the habit of reading books. I think it's because they allow us to have our own imagination. Because while watching a movie, we see what they show. But while reading a book, it's different. We have something different running in our mind. We have our own imagination, whether about the plot, the story, the scene, whatever happening in it. So to say it in a simple manner, I love reading books because they are just wonderful and special beyond the words. So the fifth question is, what book or series got you into reading? So a few months back, I read a book named Third Girl written by Agatha Christie. After reading that book, I fell in love with writing style of Agatha Christie. So this is basically a crime novel, as Agatha Christie is popularly known as Queen of Crimes. So this particular book somehow raised fire in me to discover different books, and all thanks to Agatha Christie. So the next question is, what questions would you ask your favorite booktuber? Not the questions would I ask, the questions which I asked. Because when you ask who is my favorite booktuber, this is the most common answer from any of other booktubers. It's Helly. I'm so grateful that she'll always be there to answer any of questions from her followers. She always makes sure that she reach each and everyone. So my another favorite booktuber is Sneha Banerjee from Book Junction channel. She is such a sweetheart. She always give quick replies whenever I reach her at any of her social media handles. Coming back to the point, the questions I ask them, how they are successful and what the principles they follow, where they are get inspired from. So the question 7 is, what challenges do you think starting a booktube channel will be the hardest to overcome? For me, it's mostly technical related stuff because I'm not at all a techie. To be honest, while uploading my first video, I didn't know how to put a thumbnail. And whether it be editing or YouTube settings, I had zero idea when I've started. And gradually I started discovering apps, and I learned how to edit video by myself. Gradually I learned how to upload a video, how to put a thumbnail, how to put a card, end screen template. Gradually I learned how to put effective description for my videos. The zeal in me made me to learn whatever I needed. So the second hardest thing will be the growth. In booktubing, the growth is very gradual because in booktubing we have rare audience. In this modern era, we barely find people who read books and watch book related videos like our videos, our stuff. It's sad but true. That's why it takes much more time a booktuber to grow a community. So the next question is, when did you start reading? I started reading books when I was like 16 or something. I read 1 or 2 books and then I gave up reading. Few months back I resumed the habit of reading books. As I'm turning 18 next month, I consider that I started reading books passionately in my 18th. I always regret not for making this habit very early so that I would have been read more books now. So the 9th question is, where do you read? Literally I read everywhere, but I'm most comfortable reading is on my bed. So other than that, I read wherever there is silence. Question number 10, the last question. What kind of books do you like to read? So other than dystopian history, I'd love to read all the kind of books. I love reading different genres. I love reading different kind of books because I'm not at all interested in dystopian or history and socialistic fiction. It was quite amazing taking up this booktube newbie tag, and I'd love to nominate Shrestha Das from Bibliophiles and Anushka Gupta to take up this tag. And if you really loved watching this video, give a big fat thumbs up. Tell me your opinions through comments. Share this video to your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and that means a lot to me.